Welcome to a special edition of Columbia Paranormal International. Today, we cross the ocean to enter the heart of Transylvania. We aren't here for vampires, but for something much older and more disturbing. The Hoia Baciu forest. A place where time stands still. Trees twist into impossible shapes, and compasses lose their way. Get ready to explore the most haunted forest in the world. In the middle of the forest, there is a perfect circle of land where absolutely nothing grows. Scientists have analyzed the soil and found no logical reason. Guards and visitors report. But upon entering this circle, they feel a heavy pressure in their chest, and all natural sounds disappear. One of the most famous stories tells of a 5-year-old girl who vanished in the forest and reappeared 5 years later in the same spot, wearing the same clean clothes and without having aged a single day. She had no memory of what happened. Decades ago, a shepherd entered the forest with a flock of 200 sheep. Despite massive search efforts by Romanian authorities, no trace of the man or the animals was ever found. It's as if the forest swallowed them whole. Many tourists and locals who dare to walk through Hoia Baciu report finding burns, rashes, or scratches on their bodies afterward. Doctors cannot explain these electromagnetic burns that appear without physical contact. In 1968, a military technician captured one of the world's most famous UFO photos over this forest. Since then, area guards report floating white and blue orbs that seem to follow intruders through the trees. It is very common for people to take photos in Hoia Baciu and later find human faces or shadowy figures behind them that were not present at the time the photo was taken. Hoia Baciu remains a challenge for science and a sanctuary for the unexplained. Would you dare to spend a night in the clearing? If you enjoyed this international journey, subscribe and tell us which other place in the world we should investigate. This is Columbia Paranormal International.